pressed it.
Point this boy's here.
We ain't doing that. Sorry, cry. Come on. Show her wall. Sleeping.
I thought you were Italian.
Up your mouth.
Stop.
Très bien, merci. Damsel. Damsel la plume. Voici.
I can't hold it any longer.
El Cluy. Here, pen, please.
Daniel, my hand's tired.
Other one.
Both of them are tired.
I'll hold it.
Hold it.
No, you hold it.
I can't hold it. It hurts.
He has to give it to his little girlfriend.
Mm-hmm. Little
Here,
girlfriend Steven.
here, somebody just get it. My hand hurts.
What about?
Hey, who took my token? I'm really looking forward for my token.
Qu'est-ce que c'est la douche?
Stop.
Très bien. Très bien, merci.
Do you know what happened to my token?
Mira, mira.
Stop.
Uchi kuchi la la la.
Hey, give me my
It's
token.
Phil.
No, no, Tutu. No.
It's Phil.
Dad,
Voici la
gonna give me
plume.
back my token.
It's
Oh
Phil.
my gosh, look at that.
Give me my token. Stop playing with
Look,
it.
let go. Hey. Lord, notice the contour, the flow, and the grace.
Un look like puffball. Puffball.
No, it's the flow.
It's
The
muy grande.
Contour.
No.
Norman.
Me no pay you for this.
Norman.
Me no pay you for this.
It's called it.
Me not kick you. Me no pay no cash for this.
Me give voodoo doll.
Me no want voodoo doll.
Me no voodoo doll pay me my money.
Okay.
Mommy, you told her to give me my...
Where's my comb?
How about me not trade you on lap dance from Casey or Anthony?
I'll
Dad
take
told...
two.
Mommy,
I'll
you
take
told
two of
her
those.
to give me back my token.